Alright, I got one, a little bit after 6 right now. I got one more finest break. This is for another Tim. I think the last one I did was for Tim. This is for Tim TX. Tim going with box number 7. Empty. Empty. Here we go now. We have Colin Kaepernick, Refractor, Rookie, and Shane Green. Owen Daniels, Refractor. Daniel Thomas. I guess the first card is always a refractor of some sort. Jeremy Macklin, what is that, $3.99? Okay. AP, Gold, Refractor Finest Moments. And Kendall Hunter, Noshan Marino. Atomic, Randall Cobb. DeMarco Murray. Colin Kaepernick. Atomic. And Titus Young. Derek Mason, Refractor. And Mark Ingram. Jamie Harper. That's $3.99 version. I call it X-Fractor, but I'm sure that's not it. Colin Kaepernick. Refractor, Felix Jones. Andy Dalton, and Taiwan Jones. Cam Newton, $3.99. The X-Fractor. Got a redemption of rookie Ryan Williams and Jordan Todman, rookie autograph patch. Base one. I guess that's going to be $5.99. I want to see the patches. I don't like when they're redemptions. Kyle Rudolph, Jordan Todman. Is there anybody else? Ryan Williams. And Randall Cobb, Michael LaShore. The jersey, wait a second here. Edmund Gates. And Cecil Pants III, shorts. $5.89. Okay. Ryan Williams and Ryan Mallett. Bunch of Ryans. Put that there. We got a Cam Newton too. We got a couple of Atomics, of course. Cecil shorts. And Jordan Todman. Patch auto. And a Cam Newton at $3.99. There is the recap. I guess the recap's not necessary for a one box because the last two hits are the hits. Anyway, Tim, that'll do it, man. I appreciate it. I will put them in the back and let me know what you want to do. Alright, bud. See ya.